What's the meaning of compliant? Compliant. Compliant.
Compliant. Compliant. Compliant means being willing to follow rules, regulations, and standards set by authorities or organizations. It refers to the ability and willingness of a person or entity to obey or conform to guidelines or requirements. A compliant person or organization is one that adheres to these rules without resistance or disagreement. This behavior helps ensure consistency and stability in various contexts, such as in business, finance, and society. Being non-compliant may result in penalties, fines, or legal consequences, while being compliant can lead to trust, credibility, and confidence with customers, partners, and regulators.